morning, guys. Got up real early this morning, around 5 o'clock, headed out. We're headed about 2 hours away from the house to install a commercial building. If you like these videos, please subscribe, comment, like, and hit that notification bell. So I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you follow along. I don't know if I'll do a build series or if I will just do all one video, because we do this pretty fast. It's around a 8,000 square foot building, and we'll frame it up and get all the walls done this week in 5 or 6 days. Next week we'll put the roof on and finish off the trim work. Everybody knows what to do, so we go to get it done. Let's build it. You'll see the rest of the build. We got a bunch of unleveled dirt out here. We can't hardly get up on the slab without dropping steel off the forks of the lift. Every time it's getting aggravating, so brought the skid steer today. If you're not subscribed and you haven't hit the notification bell, do so, because I'd love to produce a lot more of these videos.